Good evening, guys. Podcast is back and this time for Accenture. ठीक है, Infosys और Cognizant का भी करेंगे, but because I caught hold of this guy, hence I have to do it today. He's a very busy person. He's in Accenture, so we will have to take care of the time. Let's go. Let's not waste any time. Let's welcome the Rahil Soor. He's here. Hi, Rahil. Which batch? When did you get placed? Tell me the small, short story of your placement.
Hi, sir. It's been 3 years. Like I have passed out from 2017 batch, and our placements happened in year 2016. If I'm not wrong, September 2016 was the time when we had our placements, and so it still feels like this college was just a few months back we passed out, but it still I don't. It doesn't feel like that. It has been 3 years. So so I
You
miss college a lot.
you must be doing
And
something really college like. That's why you are not missing college for the same reason. I think you are enjoying life a little bit too much. You are traveling around the places and you party each weekend. Is that so? Such kind of people don't miss college.
so that I used to do because I was lucky enough to find my friends and seniors working in the same city. So we used to live together. We used to cook and have parties and all. But like the post-COVID situation, like everything has changed and we are back in our homes. But at the same time, it's good being back at home and have mom's made food and all. So that is also good.
But the placement story still remains to be told. How was your placement?
So
Easy peasy?
any other Kittian, so everyone is tensed in the fourth year itself, and May June is the most crucial month like in the year, because you start preparing for APT and English and everything. Everyone is busy with that time, and at the same time, the main thing with Accenture is that I think it's still there. Like they say, Accenture is Sabka Masiha Accenture, because Accenture takes everyone in, and but at the same time, like I clearly remember it was 2016 batch, our seniors batch, and something around 1,500 students got placed. So in our batch, the expectation was around 1,500 as well. But that year it got dropped, and I still remember that everyone had expected Accenture, and they like many people didn't get Accenture. Like I know, like there were people who didn't get Accenture, but later they bagged big companies with much better packages. So overall, the placement scenario is all about the day, and like if it clicks or not. I've seen people, not those who didn't click with Accenture, later they got placed into Microsoft, and I've seen people they got placed in Mu Sigma also.
What?
Yes, yes.
What?
So it happens. Yes.
You
So
miss
placement is
Accenture
a
to get Microsoft?
yes. People have missed Accenture and got into Mu Sigma, and they have got into ZS as well. So it's a big process, and like it depends totally what happens on the day actually.
कौन
So
बताएगा
and
बच्चे
whatever questions,
are like if we miss this company it's the end of the world, apocalypse now, and there is no country for unplaced men or women or
yes,
something like
yes.
that. ये पूरा tragedy हॉलीवुड उनका लाइफ में ना घूमने लग जाता है. But your placement was you.
In our year, I remember like the format. There was a confusion in the test format between AMCAT and Merit Track, and 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 the last moment they gave us Merit Track, and students actually got scared that it's Merit Track. But many those who cleared the written, many people cleared the written actually. But what happened? There was a huge pressure, because already people had missed many day zero companies like Deloitte and others, which and I don't remember. There was this company called Investment Yardley and other companies which many people missed. So there was a pressure that if Accenture doesn't happen, so my life is finished. So even though Accenture takes the largest number of students, there is a huge pressure if you miss Accenture. So I remember, so when the written results came out, it was not as per expectation. So that day it felt like someone has died in the hostel. Usually in the boys' hostel, you always find like everyone is roaming around, they're having fun and all. But when the
Yeah.
written results came, I saw all the doors are closed and everyone is inside the room because many people couldn't qualify the written. So that there was this gloomy atmosphere in my hostel because many people didn't clear written. But
It's like they
after
missed the
that,
Swayambar of their crush. Like, अब क्या
yes,
जिंदगी में
that's
बचा ही
that's the
क्या?
thing. Yes, and that year, like it was a like day one, we had five companies. IBM was also there along with Infosys, Cognizant, and Wipro. Yes, Wipro was
So,
also there. So five companies were there. So and I only cleared Accenture written, and I was not, and I went till the interview, and I couldn't clear any other interview. For me personally, I couldn't clear any other interviews. I couldn't clear Wipro, I couldn't clear Infosys, I couldn't clear Cognizant,
did you
and I
that
couldn't clear even IBM.
did the pressure of those four failures impact your performance in Accenture?
No, because Accenture was the first one. So
Oh, acha.
like
Yeah, so the
rest.
results were not out. You just sat for
Results are
it.
not out, but on the day of results, it's on like if Accenture doesn't happen, then I'm doomed. So that pressure was there, but at the same time, like it works very differently for different students.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
students who went for interview in five companies, but they couldn't clear five of them, and and I am one who went for interview only one company and I cleared that. So it works. There are all, you will also find people who get 5 on 5, so 3 on 5,
Yeah,
four on
yeah,
five
yeah.
that is also there.
ए, पता है
So
मेरा
it's
पांचों
it
का निकल गया तो कितने में नौकरी करेगा?
uh,
5 का निकल गया तेरा, ठीक है। नौकरी कितने में
uh,
करेगा? इतना उछल मत,
वही
सबका
एक में ही
सैलरी
करना
वही
है.
40-50 हजार के रेंज में आगे पीछे ही हो रहा है। ए, why are people making
So
such a big hue and cry about like this date, this job,
uh,
this package
yeah,
done?
yeah,
That time
yeah,
DP used to happen after day one, right? And then
yeah.
everyone is in that sort, like আমি বাড়ি যাবো, আমি জব নিয়ে যাবো। अबे क्या
uh,
करोगे? नौकरी लाके जाके दिखाओगे कजिन्स को, ये रहा मेरा ट्रॉफी, इसको
uh,
मैं बाद में ज्वाइन नहीं
uh,
करने वाला, लेकिन देख लो तुमसे आगे निकल चुका हूं मैं। What sort of
uh.
tomfoolery was going
and
on?
and
It
the
still goes
and
on.
the peer pressure is huge, and the pressure is huge that इसका इसका हो गया and मेरा नहीं हो रहा. क्यों? मैंने क्या नहीं किया? मेरा तो सीजीपी अच्छा है, इसका तो
मैंने
सीजीपी
पढ़ाया
अच्छा भी
इसको,
नहीं है. So
मैंने इसको
हाँ, मैंने
एप्पल
पढ़ाया.
पढ़ाया। एनीथिंग
हाँ.
गोस, एनीथिंग लाइक उसका ये तो फूंकता है, इसका कैसे होगा? अरे भाई फूंकने का कॉन्टेस्ट थोड़ी है ये। गॉड, सो
So
मेनी
like
कंपैरिजंस।
these things, like I've seen while interacting with seniors. So like in my senior batch, like there were three seniors. So there was this thing happening. So the three of them went. So Deloitte came. They got one guy got placed in Deloitte. Next came Mu Sigma. The second guy also got placed in Mu Sigma. And the third guy who wasn't getting placed, he got till interview for both Deloitte as well as Mu Sigma, and still he didn't get placed. And today he's probably doing a PhD in US. He's like he went to US for higher studies,
सही हुआ,
and he's doing
सही हुआ,
PhD.
टेक
Huh.
दैट।
So everyone's life story is different. Like it's not that everyone will end up in IT. So
नो,
like there are diverse career options. People pursue many things. Even like there were friends of mine who had backs in sixth semester. Like he's a very close friend of mine. His name is Devjit. So he had two backs, and he couldn't sit for most of the day one companies. So only Mu Sigma has this criteria that you can sit for Mu Sigma with two backs, and he got into Mu Sigma. So like everyone's struggles are different, and everyone's like luck is also different. It works different for different people. So आज नहीं तो कल होना ही है placement. ऐसा
sometimes
नहीं हो
that's
सकता
why
कि
I have come up
हाँ
with an analogy. Placement is like a mela. You go in with a
Yeah.
100 rupee note. A, B,
Huh,
and C, all of them, parents have given
yeah.
all the siblings a 100 rupee note. जाओ, कोई जाता है,
Huh,
मैं खिलौना खरीदूंगा, मैं खिलौना खरीदूंगा, पहला दुकान 100 रुपया उड़ा देता है पूरा, ले लो ये मेरा वाला टेडी
huh,
बियर, देखो मेरा टेडी बियर कितना अच्छा है. द अदर टू गाइस हम कब खरीदेंगे, हम कब खरीदेंगे. 10
huh,
steps down the lane, another boy is like, ये मेरा वाला टेडी बियर, and the third guy is like racking, is like, अब तो मेरे को टेडी बियर मिलेगा ही नहीं, क्यों ये दोनों खरीद लिया. भाई मेला बहुत
huh,
बड़ा है. In case of
huh,
placement, the mela never ends. It's mela after mela after mela. It's like corporate
huh,
sector, उसके बाद में higher education, उसके बाद में entrepreneurship, उसके बाद में अबे लाइफ चल ही रही है. इतना लंबा मेला
huh.
प्लेसमेंट की तरह है ही नहीं. तू तो देख चुका है ना भाई. Why don't, I mean,
Hmm.
just you see them from all angles.
Yes, that is there. So now coming back to Accenture. So Accenture, the interview, like my interview was a very interesting interview, and
One
I
or
tell
you, there
this.
were 5 people, right?
Yeah, 5 people we were there. So my interview was a very interesting interview. So before any interview, like what you usually do, you brush up your programming skills and all, and the things which you tell us, like tell me about yourself. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? All the typical interview questions, like which you had prepared, which like you used to take the classes, and we used to prepare all
Yeah.
for that. What we will say and all. But at the same time, I like, instead of having a generic answer, I feel everyone should prepare that answer like on their own, like what is you, what is the thing you like exactly, not that इसने बोला कि ये सर ने ऐसा बोला तो मुझे भी ऐसा बोलना है. That is not possible, because your choices, your life is different, and what you like is different from sirs. So I have seen many students, usually they just copy what you say exactly, like from line by line, they just say the same thing as if they are just reading it out. So
Pressure,
that
bhai.
is
Heavy pressure.
pressure. Yeah. So like probably if the guy says that I like to play cricket, but he has never played cricket or doesn't like to play cricket, so that is wrong, right? If you like to, like, you want, if you are very good at drawing or debating and quizzing, you should speak about it, that this is what I like and this is what I've done in college.
Yeah.
Because the recruiters mainly like to see that what you have done apart from your studies. Yes, obviously they ask you questions about the programming and the skills you have, but the main thing is they want to see whether what you have done apart from your studies, your communication skills, your ability
Communication.
to articulate, and because देखो पढ़ाई तो सबने किया है,
Yeah.
कम सीजीपीए वाले ने भी किया है और टॉपर्स ने भी किया है. So what differentiates you is whether you're able to comprehend things or not, and like you have whether you have a logical reasoning or not. So that is what you need for a job. You don't need to know rocket science, or you don't need to be the best coder or anything. You just need to, like,
What were the
if you're an
questions they
above
asked
average
you?
student.
What questions were asked
So
to you?
yeah, so my one was, they didn't ask me technical, but they do ask, like a few of my friends, they were so usually an HR and a technical two people sit. So one asks the HR questions and the other asks the technical questions. So five of us were there. So they asked very different questions. Like everyone was, like, in my group, what happened, five of us was there. I was in the right hand side corner. So they started from the left hand side. So everyone, they were asking, so tell me about yourself, tell me about yourself, the same thing. So someone is saying, I like to, my hobby, same thing over and over again. I like to play cricket. I love listening to music and this thing. So that is how the interview went. But sometimes few of them asked, like, there was this girl, so she told that I love cooking. So the interviewer asked her, what type of food do you like to cook? And the conversation went from food to Italian food, and why do you love Italian food? So it's about having a conversation with your interview. It
Okay.
can be about any random topic. It can be about any random topic. And then there was this guy. So he told that he knows Spanish. So he explains it that, okay, I know, I have a love for languages. I like to speak Spanish. So yes, that is a plus point in your CV, because in Accenture there are many projects which are based on your language. So if you know any foreign language, so you stand out in the crowd, because many projects come on the basis of foreign languages like French and Spanish, so that you can communicate with the client. So it helped him, and he got into Accenture. So by the time they came to me, so they were also bored of asking the same question, tell me about yourself, and mentally had prepared that I'm ready to say I'm going to say that I'm Rahil, so I've done this and that. So as I was about to say that, I thought he will ask me the same question. You know what did they ask me? They asked me what, Katrina or Karina. So I got stumped. I got stumped literally. What has what has an actress
Actress got
doing
to
in
do.
my interview? So I just, he asked me Katrina or Karina. So I just like told Karina. So so the interview asked me why Karina. So I just made it up in my mind and just told her because Katrina can't speak English and I feel Karina is a better actress. So then she asks, then she tells me that that why Karina? Karina is now pregnant, and also Karina was pregnant and all
ये
that
क्या
time.
बात,
So
तैमूर.
she asked me ki, why Karina, she is pregnant and all, Katrina looks better and all. She asked me. So I just
वही
defended
है.
by saying this thing, that like before the pre-placement talk, they usually speak about the maternity benefits which they give to women employees. So I just gave a very clever answer, that if Accenture can take back their employees and give them maternity benefits, why not Bollywood? So this was just a clever answer which I gave, and even till this date I feel like I got selected on the basis of saying they didn't
Perfectly.
ask me any, they didn't
Absolutely.
ask me any technical, they didn't ask me any technical questions, nothing. And on the day when the results were about to be announced, and I was like, अब तो होगा नहीं, ऐसा बोल के किसको मिलता है? सब लोग तो, मैं तो सी पढ़ के गया था, जावा पढ़ के गया था, कुछ पूछा ही नहीं, कुछ ऐसे कैसे मिल सकता है नौकरी? एंड लाइक आई वाज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग कि नहीं होगा नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, एंड देन फाइनली इट हैपेंड. So it works very differently for different people, because किसी किसी को टेक्निकल पूछ लेंगे ये लोग,
I'll
एंड किसी
tell
किसी
you,
को नहीं
Rahil, I
पूछेंगे.
mean, a
हाँ
generation of KIT
हाँ
students has joined the
हाँ
dance
हाँ.
group in KSAC because once upon
Yes,
a
yeah.
time, Deloitte asked one of
हाँ
the guys, like, which society are you attached with? He said dance, and then they asked him to
हाँ
dance, and that guy danced
हाँ
and got selected.
हाँ
उसके बाद
हाँ
से चले सब कोई क्या नहीं, अगर डेलोइट आएगा हम सिलेक्ट होंगे
हाँ
और इंटरव्यू में
हाँ
पहुंचेंगे और बोल देंगे हम ये सोसाइटी में थे, तो वो काम करने को बोलेंगे, कर देंगे, हमारा भी
हाँ
सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. अरे
हाँ
बाबा, it is different for everyone. Everyone going to
हाँ.
the same doctor does not get the same prescription. You will
Yes,
go
yes,
according to
obviously.
your needs.
And it's not only like related to dance. There was also this rumor in our times also that जो केसैक में जो सोसाइटीज में इन्वॉल्व है, उसको तो डेलॉयट तो
Reference.
इजीली मिल जाता है,
Reference
रेफरेंस
होता है.
मिल जाता
अरे,
है. so
rumors की तो
so
कोई इंतहा नहीं है. There was one, look,
so
I really remember this one. Accenture asked in 2018, like that panel was asking everyone, Apple or
hmm,
Samsung, Apple or Samsung. Like,
uh,
was it your batch? I
uh,
don't think so. It was the second one.
no, not my batch.
Okay,
My is Katrina or Karina. This one is mine only. Katrina or Karina.
yeah,
So
2017 was Apple or
uh,
Samsung. One guy came and
okay.
told me, sir, I think Accenture is asking
Uh,
this question because they want to conduct a survey as to which brand
uh,
is popular among the college students. अबे तेरी वो PI में क्यों करके सर्वे करेगा? वो भी रिटर्न लेने के बाद क्यों सर्वे करेगा?
uh,
कुछ भी चल
uh,
रहा है यहाँ पे रूमर्स के नाम पर.
uh,
मैं तो इसीलिए तो
uh,
बच्चे लोग हॉस्टल में भूत का
uh,
उड़ाने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता उन लोगों को.
uh. So later I actually analyzed ki why, like it might sound very funny, Katrina or Karina, but later I analyzed that why they ask. Basically, they want to see your choice and whether you can defend your choice or not. That is what
Simple.
they want to see mainly.
Yeah,
So
you
it
did
can
it.
be anything, like, yeah. So that is how it works actually. It's not that they want to know. Like,
What?
it can be anything.
Yeah. What else have you analyzed about Accenture after 3 years there?
So
What kind of
Accenture
people
is like,
will enjoy the work there? What kind of people, what temperament of people will enjoy there? People have this
So
thing like it's a mass recruiter, so we lazy guys will fit in there. Is it so?
no, no. So, like it's actually depends on your. People think that if you get placed into a very big package company, your future is secure. That is totally wrong. A different fight starts right after college. Whether you're in Accenture or you're in Wipro or you're in Deloitte or you're in Microsoft, it's a struggle for everyone. Everyone is like fighting to make a mark. And the thing which I have observed is that there will be opportunities for you, a huge hell lot of opportunities, because like mainly like in terms of Accenture, I would like to say that Accenture has a very diverse client portfolio, and you have to change accordingly. So like it can be from the pharmaceutical industry to the petroleum industry to big technology giants like Google, Facebook, Twitter. So Accenture has all the clients. Like most of the well-known Fortune 500 companies are clients with Accenture. So while working, the thing which I've observed, like I have worked in multiple projects in 3 years. So, and all the projects were of different verticals. So I have worked in the like the tech company, the clients which had tech communication and media tech companies. I have worked with the HR software companies, as well as like recently I got into a pharma company domain. These three projects, the kind of work, the kind of clients, everything was different, and it's like doing a different kind of job altogether. and and you get a lot of exposure in the terms that you get to uh, interact with like foreign clients, and mostly what happens is that your communication skills are way much better than what you have now in college. So Accenture doesn't look into the fact that whether you need to have excellent communication skill or you need to know Shakespeare, you need to read Shakespeare and all. They just want to see whether you can speak or not. Like if you don't speak, they will not even look whether you have an accent or not, because eventually when you start interacting with your clients and start working, everyone's accent or speaking skills get improved. Obviously, like you can obviously vouch for the fact that my communication skills in college and now have obviously improved, and any student which you have interacted with in for podcast, I guess
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everyone's communication skills have obviously improved.
Practice.
So it's yeah, it's about practice. So make like that is what I want to say. And also, like, it's a very diverse company. Like there are hell lot of different technologies, different domains Accenture is working, and every domain is very different.
Yeah.
So the the pharma domain and the media tech domain, the managers are also different. It's like there are many companies, many verticals. The different verticals are like different companies under the same roof. So the work is also different, the clients is also different, even the leadership is different.
No.
So it totally depends on whether Accenture provides a huge opportunity for learning
Yeah.
mostly. So whether you
Like,
want to
does
skill
it
up,
have certifications and all those things?
yes, obviously it has certifications. And like during our times, it wasn't there was not much into data analytics like as it is now, I guess. So even Accenture has started like they have started offering new roles for freshers in like data analytics and AI ML
Yeah, yeah.
roles. I guess they are giving higher package.
Higher
I guess they
packages.
are coming.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, so
6.5.
there will be new roles for Accenture in these categories. Mainly, they are looking for students who are very good in coding and all.
Like only
So that
CSIT
opportunity.
guys can get that, or even core sector people can try for those pseudocode based higher packages.
So the this is a very age old debate. So personally, my mechanical friends, my friends from mechanical branch, actually, they are now doing they are doing more coding than what I am doing. So 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 life works in very different ways, and anyone can learn coding. It's not that like it looks usually tough. Like I used to avoid coding, that I will not do it, but eventually you have to do it, and you should do it, because because most of your engineering subjects like won't apply much, but your coding knowledge you will obviously need if you want to stay in IT industry. That is the main thing which you need. But at the same time, the ability to have an insight into the business is also very important, because I know people, those who don't understand business but they want to only code. That is not how it works. The client has a set of business requirements and you have to work according to that.
What kind
So
of
these two skills are very important to have.
scenario do you see in the post-COVID? Like, will your company need more people, or will the demand drop?
So as I told you, I recently got into a pharma domain project. So what I've understood that there's a Accenture has taken up many pharma projects of big major pharmaceutical companies, uh, which you see in the news, who are developing the vaccines and all,
Okay.
and 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 they are going to take like there's a huge shortage, like in my project itself. Like my manager is saying, if you know someone who we need people for staffing. So a lot of
After
recruitment
this
is going to happen.
podcast, after this podcast, your inbox is going to be full. You have mentioned your manager. Now it's you and your
Yeah,
the
they are looking, they are absolutely. And also compared to other IT companies, like our earnings for this quarter, the Q4 quarter, has been like up to the mark, and as per their predictions and all. So
fine.
the company is going fine. And the most important, the thing which I liked about Accenture is that their ability and the swiftness with which they adjusted with the new normal of COVID-19.
Mhm.
So in March, in second week of March only, they just they made sure that the whole company is working from home. And at the same time, like usually Accenture, most of us had desktops and all. They even delivered desktops at our home also. So the
Superb.
most of the employees are working with their desktops. And later they also changed, they actually they gave us laptops and they took the desktops also. So the whole company is now working remotely from their home. So there are there
Absolutely.
are uh, there are colleagues who are working from like Bihar, like like wherever there were most of our batchmates, they are working from the home. So most of
Yeah.
them have gone home also. Like they are not in the cities also. They
The
are with their
sheer
parents and all.
logistics that has to be
Yeah, yeah,
executed to get
yeah.
the laptops
Huh.
and desktops and internet
Everything.
connection delivered,
Yeah,
set
yeah.
up and running. I
Huh,
mean, only,
huh.
visionary leadership and
Yes,
wonderful
yes,
management skills can make this happen. So it's
yes,
doubtless a very great company to
yes.
work for. And some of my brightest minds whom I thought like, तू तो और अच्छे कंपनी में और बड़े पैकेज में
Yes.
जाएगा सर, सही है
And
एक्सेंट.
employees have got promoted as well. Like their bonuses were not cut and they were promoted as well in the month of June. So that is the thing which you look into. Like
Dream
even in
run.
these tough times, they like most of the what we see in the news, that bonuses have been cut, promotions have been stopped. That is not the case with Accenture. They are like doing their part.
So if someone
So
among
that
our
that
your
that is what I appreciate.
juniors, someone among your juniors wants to
Yeah,
join Accenture, it's a full green signal from you.
yeah, it's a green signal from me.
Fantastic.
And the main thing which happens with everyone is that like there's a uh, everyone is in a rush to have a higher package.
Yeah,
So
that's
one advice I
crazy.
would give to everyone is that you will not have the same package all your life.
Hmm.
And 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 obviously you get promoted and your package will increase. There's a huge greed for money. Everyone has that. They want a higher package. If they don't have a higher package, their life is finished. So I remember there was this status which you had given in Facebook about how you had started your career with some 1,000 rupees as salary. I don't remember exactly. There was this status you had given in
200
Facebook.
rupees per hour. 200 rupees per
Yeah,
hour.
yeah, you had given this status, and your whole professional journey. So we need to look into these journeys of like it starts right at home. You should like look where your father has started from and where he has come now,
True.
and what he's earning. So
Absolutely.
everyone can look back. Like they don't have to go and see other people. They can talk with the parents itself, because your salary doesn't remain same all your life,
True.
right? It increases with your
Don't
skills and
know
your experience.
what 10 years later, what will be the scene, what will be the industries. Don't know. It's too
We-
premature to make all these predictions and etc. All right, Rahil, it was a wonderful session with you. I guess I don't have to do too many edits because each word that you said rings so true to many people who are, of course, above average. And even if they think whatever they think about themselves,
yeah.
self-assessment is always, way off the mark. Like someone said in Perks of Being a Wallflower, like why do good people fall for, bad people, or they settle for bad people? And then the person replied that it's because they think that they feel so bad about themselves that they think they deserve the not so good people, hence they fall in love with them. So this is the kind of a thing that people intentionally go for anything that comes in front of them just to satisfy a kind of a demand that is coming from their homes, like get placed early or something, and then they just show it like ho gaya na, ab khush, and then they, it's not according to their talents and ambitions, it's according to the society's demands. And you have
Yes.
been a very great example of not bowing down to common. I mean, I absolutely adore your family that gives you that kind of a breadth of thought. I've stayed with you for a couple of for many hours in fact, and the kind of the kind of bonhomie that I experienced there, that told me that okay, this person's life, this person's family life is so chilled out that he will never have to worry about like तेरा अब तक किसी बड़ी कंपनी में क्यों नहीं हुआ, and you're going to enjoy life. I appreciate
Yes.
that, and I hope that can be true of every student's family, that they can just give a little bit of support to their kids, that like
Yes.
ठीक है,
Yes.
2020-21 is not the summary of your life, it is still to come.
Yes.
You and I, we
Yes.
are together and we will help you see a
Yes.
wonderful summary. We will be with that should happen. Thank you again,
Yes.
Rahil.
That will obviously happen. Yes. Thank you, sir.
I didn't let you finish because I had a very important message in that for many people who are trying for placements from their homes and their family is
Yes.
breathing down their neck. इस बार हुआ, आज का क्या निकला, आज का, and they are flooding my phone with all sorts of like, sir इसका list, उसका list, इसका result, उसका outcome. अरे भाई रुक जाओ, थामा थामा, सबका हो जाएगा एकदम से. This is the kind of thing. We'll weather it with guidance and directions from the alumnus like you. You will be
Yes.
guiding your juniors. You will be inspiring them, motivating them, encouraging them, pushing them,
Yes.
enriching them, recharging them, refreshing them, and they will definitely make it through. Thanks for coming, Ryan.
Yes. Obviously. Obviously, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.